Alright, what's good YouTube? But Donovan, back with another video. Today we got the Chero Money Rest in Bass preset. It's really for this song called Love MKB. But I'm gonna say Rest in Bass preset, even though I don't know what Rest in Bass gonna sound like, or if another song like that's gonna be on Rest in Bass. But it's for the views, so ignore it. So I'm gonna just show y'all his shit first, then mine's with no effects, then with the effects. Alright, cool. Let's get into it. So that's his rendition of the song, the original song. Now I'm gonna show you everything that I made with no effects at all first, and then with the effects. Do you see the code? Yeah. Mine's for little dope. This for dogs. Rated. It's for dogs. Say I'm the now. Here goes the dogs. Yeah. And yeah, it's been a while. It's all on your nose, yeah. So that's with no effects. Now this is with effects. Yeah, we leaving all that in the description for free. The only thing is gonna require you to just join my Discord. We will be hosting a song war soon. I don't know if it's gonna be next weekend or the weekend after that, but it will be a song wars, or it might be when I hit 100 members. We're gonna do a song wars. Might be for a cash prize. You never know. Pop out. And yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. See y'all in the next one. Peace.